Mimosa Minglanilla is developed by John Dorf Ventures Corporation. It is a very exclusive townhouse project in Minglanilla. Only about 900 meters from the main road or the main highway. This one that we're passing through. And it's very exclusive because it only has 42 units for sale. The deliverable of this housing project is only bare. The lot area is 54 square meters and the usable floor area is about 86 square meters. I apologize for the extra noise my baby is making. He's just very talkative. I don't know where he got it from. Where did he get it from, mommy? This is what I meant by bare. So you can hear me. The echo is very clear because there is no partition here. But there are several provisions like provision for aircon, provision for electricity, as you can see here. Several provisions, another provision for aircon. So the model unit is no longer available. Oh no. The model unit is no longer available, but before I was able to visit this part. The model unit, it was projected to have 3 bedrooms here. So you know why 3? Aircon number 1, aircon number 2, and then aircon number 3. So 3 aircons mean 3 bedrooms. I think the master bedroom is supposed to be here, and then the 2 smaller bedrooms here. So this is your Mimosa. About 10 units remain, and developed by John Dorf. Quite nice, quite nice. So living room, kitchen. Then we have a service area.
And I know that this love will fade, 'cause you say you'll do things you never do, and I know that you'll never change.